Okay, welcome to part 2 of Gaia was a fetus. So I was just explaining about how pi is actually the fucking cooking instructions for a baby. So it's 3, as in there's 3 sets of, like, repeat 3 times, alright? So, and I think I did change it a little bit, but it gives you a rough idea of how I got to where I got to with this. But, so the 3.1, so step 1, all the pieces needed are collected. 4, the pieces get used to create new. Back to a 1, which again, all the pieces collected. 5 is balance, harmony, duality. 9 was the final stage, like of repeat cycles. 2 is complete and whole. 6 was something to do with duality. 5 again, which is harmony, balance, duality. 3, merging of duality. 5 again, balance, harmony, duality. 8 is the final lap sign. You're on your final lap. 1 more to go. 9 is final stage. 7, new beginnings. Alright. What did I write down here? Oh, and so here, fucking A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So A is the paternal line, the chromosomes from the father. B is the maternal line. And C is an embryo. Okay? Oh, man. I don't even know where to start, but spirituality is the genetic material and religion was the biological material, alright? So when we come back to what I was saying before about, so the zygote, where was it? The zygote was trying to understand the merging of chromosomes. That's like one timeline. Then, so each timeline is the people in the timeline just trying to make fucking sense of what happened to the timeline before them, for them to be here. It's like each one is trying to describe the Big Bang, but not realizing that. Anyway, so I'd said that we are creating our own God because we are the cells of Gaia, and Gaia is our God. What else do I want to tell you? I wish that I had of fucking way back when I did this. I wish I had the confidence to get on fucking TikTok and start my TikTok journey then, because you guys would have got such a clearer understanding. Because as I said in my video the other day, when memory our brains aren't meant to hold memory of things, because we just are meant to tap in. It's a collective memory, right? And so in these times I was tapped right in and understood what the fuck I was writing, thinking that I will understand what I mean when I come back to that, except when I come back to that, things get in the way. Oh, this is what I've written. Things get in the way, and then I can't tap back in to where I was to get the info again. So, but here I've just written, pi is a 13-step set of instructions for how to merge duality, plus the evidence that duality cannot be merged without creating more duality, right? And there's this whole thing about how duality itself is a lie. Yin-yang isn't about duality or balance. It's about becoming whole and having full self-awareness. So to heal the physical, we must address the psychological. To heal mentally, we must address our physical. So duality, like yin-yang duality, it's not about 2 equal balanced sides. It's about flow state. It's about, as above, so below. It's movement. It's not stagnant. It's not, you don't put it on the scales. You fucking, what's a good analogy? Let's see what I've written here. The earth, energy, matter mix-up is real. Our biological origins are represented by our spiritual beliefs, and our spiritual origins are represented by our biological development. And that's why we're in an upside down world, because we're not meant to be, we're meant to flow with each other. I really wish I could think of a fucking good analogy. Maybe someone can put one in the comments if they understand what the fuck I'm saying. So basically the problem is, because we started as one cell, the zygote, all of this time it looks like there was one God, but that zygote was actually made up of two sets of chromosomes. So it was always two gods. There was never one God. It's just that maybe the zygote is the demiurge, right? What am I at? 4 minutes. I could just everything ties into this. Everything you can think of. Every person's fucking theory. That's why I really need Joe Rogan. And Matt Rife is in there somewhere. But Joe Rogan mostly. I need your brain, please. So that you can help unlock my brain, please. What else have I got here? I wish I could think of a fucking analogy. Give me a second. You know what? I'm going to leave this one short, and I'm going to watch them, because that's usually where I get my best insight. So I'll get a fucking pen and paper and then go and learn from myself, making a fool of myself on the internet. Yep. All right. Fucking, if you're following along and you're understanding what I'm trying to tell you, I really would love you to fucking contribute in the comments. Pretty please. Alright, I am going to show you the fucking sky tonight, because it's so pretty. The clouds are fucking amazing. I feel like it's been a while since we've had really good clouds. Anyway, peace out. Oh, and there will be a part 3, so stay tuned.